Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our spectacular 19, I believe it's a 59 Triumph Tr3A Roadster, finished completely to its BMIHT certificate. So black with red with white weather equipment. I believe it has a top boot, no, I think it's top tonneau and side curtains, all in white, but absolutely stunning car, top quality restored, nut and bolt, ground-up restoration, no stone left unturned, just an absolutely lovely, perfect car on this set of chrome 48 spoke. Actually, they're 60 spoke wire wheels with wide white walls. So absolutely beautiful TR3 we have here. You know, given the level of restoration, the correctness, this was easily done by a professional that has done plenty of these. But beautiful gaps, you know, nut and bolt, bare quality, bare sheet metal, high quality black paint work, great fitting chrome work. I'll do kind of a slow walk around here. Just laser straight body, you can see here. It has to be being in black. But really beautiful. All new chrome, all new windshield glass. I'll get to the interior in a minute. I know everyone wants to watch and see the interior. But yeah, really lovely panel fit. Great body work. This was owned by a collector, and he spent a couple years trying to track down the right car, and he found it right here. So have a look at this car's undercarriage, because the underside of the car is just as good as the top side. Just absolutely beautiful underneath. So interior wise, perfectly finished with a moss interior kit. You can see these absolutely gorgeous leather seats. Quality cut pile carpet set. And you can just see the quality and the care and attention to all the fittings. I mean, they even went through the effort of restoring the squirter mechanism there, which was an option on TR3s. So the beautiful, beautiful top quality, show quality restoration of this absolutely fabulous Triumph TR3A, finished in its original BMIHT colors. Black, red trim, white weather equipment, as noted on the Heritage Certificate. Total nut and bolt ground-up restoration. Everything done, just everything. Let's just see if we can do an undercarriage look here, and you can just see the quality here of this restoration. So just all plated hardware, everything nut and bolt restored. You can just see the cleanliness there on all the suspension components. Take a look at the engine bay. You can see it's just oh, there we go. Yeah, take a look at the engine bay, because you can see it's just show quality throughout, with everything completely rebuilt. And I would not want to try and restore this for our asking price. I mean, it's very well priced, and if you're going to desire a car identical to this one in this condition, you're going to spend $75,000–$80,000 in today's current market. You've got to buy the donor car first. You've got to buy all the parts. You've got to pay for all the services, and then you've got to buy for all the got to pay for all the professional wisdom and skills to produce a car to this level. And there you have it. Exceptional, over the top, absolutely beautiful 1959 Triumph Tr3A Roadster, finished in black, red leather, chrome wire wheels, white wall tires, 4-speed, white weather equipment, recipient of a recent total ground up, body off the chassis, nut and bolt restoration to basically CONCOURS spec. Very, very correct restoration. And it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.